How to get money for free people in 2023 as a total newbie with no prior experience. Wow, you have followers on social media without having a website of your own and a PayPal account. In 2023, there will be more than 10 distinct platforms available for you to use in order to obtain free paper money. Thus, let's start with the first. A game will be the first thing you can employ. On the website, you may earn free gift cards by completing various offers and surveys. You may so simply enter through this and then click on her to begin earning money by completing various offers and surveys. After you begin to earn money, you can withdraw it right here using PayPal by going directly to that page. The first approach to obtaining free paper money is in this manner. Selling your game accounts and social networking accounts is the second technique to get free PayPal money. You can visit PlayerUp.com, a marketplace where people go to buy a salad for a different game from the game's inventory, if you've been busy playing some games over the past couple of years. Therefore, for instance, you can go to this Instagram accounts page and purchase a combined Instagram account with settled freight for $20. Then after gaining a few more followers, you may resell it for between $50 and $100, just like the Instagram gal runaway. You can flip Instagram accounts in the same manner you can flip any other social media account. Using the Pots Break app, which is accessible on both iOS and Android, is the third option to look at free people money in 2023. Also, it enables you to share tales in the same way that you would normally post photos and videos on Snapchat and Instagram, such as adjusting his shares in the stores. Because they are like advertising inside of the deepest breakdown and it merely breaks the atom, you can now share them with BuzzBreak and earn money from them. Earnings with you. Thus, by simply sharing your story on another website, which you can use to earn free paper money in 2023, we actually generate money off of our break without ever selling anything. As a result, if you go and choose solely Instagram accounts, you'll be able to see people who sell items for anything from $100 to hundreds of thousands of dollars. As an illustration, this one is being sold for $250,000, $8 $103,000, and $18,000 in the $19,000 range over here. So, if you already have a page or wish to create one over the coming months, you can do it with ease. You can then sell your account on FaceLap and earn hundreds of dollars on the following website, where you can find free users. Money will make me smaller. When someone clicks on your link, I'll actually pay you. This makes things 1,000 times easier because you don't even need to sell anything. Thus, all you have to do to earn money is shorten your URL inside of ShrinkMe.io. You may observe that folks are truly receiving free paper money here if you visit the payment evidence. As an illustration, this person received $10 in paper money, $9, $6, $5, $170, $5, $14, $7, and so on. Hence, those were a few unique ones. Methods that are completely free. In 2023, PayPal will be free. I sincerely hope this video was helpful to you. If you did, please drop a like, and I'll see you again soon.